Princy Pooh. It's your 18-week birthday today. You're smiling. You laugh. You're starting to eat some solids, just cereal though. And you're jumping. And you talk a little bit, just little like blah 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 blahs, but that's okay. Little babbles. Doctor says you're doing great. You had your second pair of shots, and you hated it. But that's okay, because I hate it too. Getting shots. And watching you getting shots hurts Mommy too. I want to let you know that I love you so much, my little T-Man. You have a few nicknames now. Princy Pooh, the Chief, and the T-Man, and the Stinkosaurus. But you are the most adorable little guy in the whole world. We love you, Tyler. Mommy loves you so much. Yes, she does. Who loves you so much? Mom. Mom. Can you say Mom? No, I just want to jump, Mom. Okay. Bye.